Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Studio channel. Today we are going to be learning how to remove last name on Facebook. Facebook requires users to have first name and last name on their profile. While it may be possible to change your name or edit it completely, removing the last name on Facebook may not be allowed as it goes against Facebook naming policies. However, if you want to adjust your name on Facebook, including using a single name or changing your display name, you can follow these steps. First of all, open the Facebook app. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. Tap on your profile picture or your name to go to your Facebook profile. Look for an option that allows you to edit your profile. This is usually represented by pencil icon. Tap on it. After that, scroll down. In the bottom, you can see here, edit your about info. Tap on it. Scroll down. In others name, you can see here, pencil icon. Tap on it. From pop-up, tap on edit name. You can adjust your first name, middle name or last name as needed. After making changes, tap on save. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.